This How to 1 Minute will show you how to change Discord server name on PC and mobile. First of all, let's see the process in PC. Open your Discord and open your server. Click on server name, server settings, and here you'll find the server name section. And from here you can easily change your server name and click on save changes. And that's how we can do it from PC. Now let's see the process from mobile. And now let's see the process in mobile. Open your Discord, select the server, tap on server name, tap on settings, tap on overview, and from here you can easily change your server name and tap on save at the top right. And that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.